mi taruh teman dia ni laki nasi ada Rosi ni Kadavu Fina sa Fina.
Fina, oh, from Kadavu's emerald hills, where trade winds softly blow, where ancient shores meet ocean tides and crimson orchids grow. Fina no butaw sa ikimuniga, oile isale, oilele. There blooms a peerless island queen, adored across the sea. Fina my Kadavu queen, the radiant pride of Kadavu, the goat nation, wild and beautifully free. They call her Fina, the legend, a title earned and earned again, a vision walking under sun, or soft tropical rain. Fina sa Fina ga, the goat queen, Madame Mosi Mosi. Isale, oilele, Isale, oilele. Fina, the goat queen. Fina, the goat queen, the goat queen. Fina, the goat queen, the goat queen. Fina, the goat queen, the goat queen. Fina, the goat queen. You the vaca lava lava, to my tapioca baby. You the vaca lava lava, to my tapioca baby. With laughter dancing in her eyes, a woman radiant spark. Fina, you bring a burst of brilliant light that shatters every dark. Kimuni said, Amara mata we baka, na isera ni mata ni singer. Her smile is like the morning sun that wakes the azure bay. It melts away the heaviest heart and brightens up the day. No shadow lingers where she walks, no sorrow dares abide, no finale. For joy is wrapped around her steps with grace on every side. And oh, those legendary legs carved by the island breeze, Rosi ni Kadavu, Fina, that walk with such effortless grace beneath the towering trees. A striking blend of strength and form, a majesty and art. They trace a pathway straight and true into a captive heart. Fina lay Rosi ni Kadavu upon the rolling highlands, where the misty summits gleam. Fina lay no guros, no gutao mata mosi mosi. Hurolaki no gu Fina lay. You are the vaca lava lava, to my tapioca baby. You the curry and masala to my goat curry baby. Isale no gutao, Isale no gu Fina. Isale no gutao, Isale no gu Fina. Isale no gutao, Isale no gutao, Isale no gutao. She rules her realm with gentle strength, majestic as a dream. Fina lay no gutao. She rules her realm with gentle strength, majestic as a dream. Fina lay Rosi ni Kadavu, affectionately crowned by all who know her royal reign, the fierce and peerless goat queen of the mountain and the plain. Fina sa Fina ga Isale, like velvet petals unfurl to catch the morning dew. She is the rose from Kadavu, forever bright and true, a masterpiece of violent grace, where wild and lovely blend, a timeless icon of a home, a legend to the end. Fina sa Fina ga, Rosi ni Kadavu, no kukatale, mata mosi mosi. Isale oilele. Fina, Fina sa Fina ga, Rosi ni Kadavu, no kukatale, mata mosi mosi. Isale oilele.